Hi student, myself Salve Prakash, Associate Professor, Department of Geography, रयत शिक्षण संस्थात महाराजा जिवाजीराव शिंदे महाविद्यालय श्रीगोंदा, District Ahmednagar, affiliated by Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. Today's lectures FY Choice Based Credit System Syllabus, Semester First, Paper First. Name of the paper Introduction to Physical Geography, Paper First, Geomorphology. Now, today discuss about unit number 4, Geomorphic Process, subpoints A, rock and minerals, metamorphic rocks. Okay. Now, what is meant by metamorphic rocks? The word implement metamorphic has been derived from Latin word metamorphos, which change in forms. The origin rocks to convert into another rocks. In fact, metamorphic rocks means complete alterations in appearance of the pre-existing rocks due to change in minerals composition and textures through the temperature, pressure. Metamorphic rocks are generally formed due to the change in form of igneous and sedimentary rocks. Then the textures and the characteristics, when already formed metamorphic rocks are again metamorphosed, the process is known as re-metamorphism. These become possible only when the temperature become enormous due to the orogenetic movements. The change in the form of the rocks during the process of metamorphism take place into two ways. First is physical metamorphism. Here, the no change of composition, texture of compositions. The chemical property is it is. Another is the chemical metamorphism. Some rocks after metamorphism become harder than the origin of rocks, origin of forms, such as marble from limestone and quartz from sandstones. To totally change the components of their origin rocks. Now, agent of metamorphism. The first agent is heat. Heat is the most important factor. The volcanic material, the hottest material come to the earth's surface. This time they connected the other grounds, develop of metamorphism rocks from pre-existing parent rocks. It may be pointed out that mineral composition is available during the volcanic activity when hot and molten magmas ascends through the crustal of rocks. Another agents, the compressions. Compressions resulting from the convergent horizontal movements caused by endogenetic force cause folding in rock beds. Thus, resultant pressure from compressive force and consequent folding change. Folding change the form composition of parent rocks. The another agents is solutions. This in these solutions, the chemical active hot gases and waters while passing through the rock change their chemical composition and chemical properties. Then the next point is type of metamorphic rocks. First is contact metamorphic rocks. When the molten magma come to the earth's surface, this time the materials, the contact, the side portions. Okay, contact of metamorphism rocks. Yeah, this is the metamorphic rock. Take place when the mineral compositions of the surrounding rocks known as aureoles is changed due to the intense heat of the introducing magma. The fact that metamorphism occurs when the rocks come in the contact with the introducing magma. These process also called the thermal metamorphism. Limestone are changed to marble due to contact metamorphism. This is metamorphism, contact metamorphism type of rocks. Another types of metamorphic rocks, the regional metamorphic rocks. Yeah, the regional metamorphic rocks. When the rocks are altered in their form in extensive area, the process is called regional metamorphism. Such metamorphism is also known as a dynamic metamorphism. Type of regional metamorphism rocks. Regional metamorphism is further divided into two subtypes. First is dynamic metamorphic rocks. The compressive force and resultant high pressure caused by convert horizontally movements. This is called dynamic metamorphism. Another is static metamorphism rocks. When the rocks are metamorphism, the gathered depth due to the intense pressure and weight of overlaying rocks. This is called the static metamorphism rocks. Another is hydrometamorphism. The alterations in the composition of rocks due to hydrological factor take place in a number of ways. That is, first is when the chemical active water or solvent water passes through the country rocks, there occurs the several chemical reactions and the properties totally change. Another is the strong of volume of water in a big reservoir or dam exert high pressure on the underlaying, and thus the rock are altered in their forms due to pressure of overlaying huge volume of water. Such type of metamorphism is known as hydrostatic metamorphism. Yeah. Now another hydrothermometamorphism. The minor alterations in the physical and chemical compositions of the rocks caused by the weight and pressure of water mass and chemically active hot gases and water vapors is called hydrothermometamorphism, which is a fact geographically less important. Okay. Now, next, meta sedimentary or para metamorphic rocks formed one rock convert into another rocks. Limestone convert in marbles, granite convert into genesis, and gravel convert into serpentines. From due to the alteration of the form of sedimentary rocks, that is marble from limestone, quarters from sandstone, state from shale and clays, etc. Now, meta-igneous or thermometamorphic rocks are formed due to change into the form of igneous rock, that is genesis from granites, yeah, the change of granites, serpentine from gabbro, yeah, basic granulites from amphibolites, hornblendes, schist from basaltic rocks. And now last point is characteristics of metamorphic rock. The first characters is these rocks is in general are compacts. They are resistant to erosion because of the very hard materials. Okay. Now third one is these rocks do not contain fossils because of the totally compression and heats that totally change the material, origin of rocks. So there is no found in the plant and animal fossils. Another, heat and pressure important role in their formation. Okay. Now next one is these are the most hard, rigid, massive rock on the earth. Next one is they occupy very limited on the earth. Okay. Sangam rivers, etc. Marbles. Metamorphic rocks are economically important by number of ways because marble is very important rock, the very costly. And last one, their classic example of graphite, slate, diamonds, marble, quarters, etc. Okay, now this is the reference books and some photographs. Source is www.google.com and the some material collect from www.wikipedia.org. Okay, thank you.